everything seem plain and boring to you? We know a few easy ways of how to change it. It's the third day of the brave prince making his way through the thicket of coniferous forest, and his way lies to the insidious dragon who imprisoned the princess in its sinister castle. And the battle to the death began, and our fearless prince won this battle. And he freed the beautiful princess, and they lived happily ever after. Happy end! Here's how to make your own home shadow theater. Paint a piece of cardboard in black. Drawing the spreading paws of forest firs, cut them out. Glue 2 coffee sticks to the base. Cut the figures out from cardboard and attach them to the sticks. Make a scene from the parts of the cardboard box. Attach a blank sheet of paper to the cardboard. Connect the sides of the box with Scotch tape. Light up the phone on the back of the improvised theater. Call a friend for help and start a magical shady performance. Do you believe in aliens? If you don't, you might be surprised. Because right now, you will witness how a UFO brazenly steals pets and other stuff. Print out the image of a UFO. Cut it out. Attach the spacecraft to the vacuum cleaner's tube. Choose the figures of different animals and place them in the green, dense grass. The spacecraft slowly approaches peacefully resting animals, and they disappear one by one in the depths of the flying apparatus. Then, let them think for themselves whether this is a prank. Draw a voluminous illusion, which is easy to confuse with a conventional cutlery. Draw a spoon on a sheet of thick paper. Fill the sheet with horizontal stripes without affecting the drawing of the spoon. We decorate the spoon with such curved lines, connecting the edges of the flat strips. The lines on the handle of the spoon are bent in one direction and on the very bowl in the opposite direction. Thus, the illusion of convex and concave drawings is created. Highlight the contour with the marker. Shade the picture with a simple pencil. Done! It looks very realistic, and immediately I feel like touching it. Make an unusual catapult, Angry Bird style. You will need wide wooden sticks, several elastic bands, and a plastic lid. Bind several sticks with an elastic band. Place the workpiece between the sticks. Wind the edge with an elastic band. Bind the structure with a knot. Attach the lid on the edge of a clothespin using hot glue. Print and cut out the muzzles of Angry Birds' pigs. Cut the hot stick with rings. Make an incision. Insert the pig into the incision. Place the targets on the wooden construction. Put a paper projectile in the catapult. Tighten the lever and shoot at the target pigs. Can you hit that bullseye? An endless postcard is an endless charge of joy and positive emotions. Let's do it ourselves. You need a square sheet of paper with a 21 centimeters side. Bend the sheet in half. Bend it one more time, like this. Cut a square in the middle of the sheet. Fold the sheet into the square. Decorate the squares with stickers. Unfold the postcard. The picture changes, and the pictures seem to have no end. Draw a flying owl in the corner of the sheet. Apply a paper strip to the picture. Draw the same bird, change only the position of the wings. Wind the strip on a pencil. Move the pencil from side to side. Sharply waving its wings, the owl begins to fly. In the same way, you can make a little man do physical exercises. Break summer boredom with a romantic atmosphere and make a funny postcard. Print 3 identical landscape pictures and a nice paper couple. Place the figures of lovers on the green lawn. Measure the distance between them. Go over the perimeter using a ruler. Cut it out. Transfer the dimensions of the rectangular hole to the back of the picture. Cut out, leaving 1 centimeter in reserve. Glue the paper handle. Use double-sided adhesive tape to glue the 2 pictures together. Paste the girl figure on the picture. Insert the moving part and attach the figure of the boy to it. The boy approaches the girl and kisses her gently on the cheek. How cute! Anti-stresses are never too much. In this life hack, we will tell you how to make a soothing toy transformer made of paper. Using a ruler and a pencil, draw this picture on a sheet of paper. Color the rows of ROMs in different colors. Cut it out. Bend the sheet so that the fold line passes through the center of the ROMs. Beginning with the lower edge, bend the sheet along the lines of the ROMs. Do the same on the other side. Glue the unpainted parts of the sheet with the lower row of ROMs. Connect the edges of the figure and attach them with a universal glue. It turned out a bright toy transformer. Very interesting! And now, let's create a three-dimensional illusion of a hole in your palm. You will need acrylic paints and a hand as an easel. Draw 6 fiery red petals. Shade them with light pink glare. Highlight the middle of the dark shade of burgundy paint. Illuminate the picture in white. At a certain angle, there is a sense of a hole in your hand. You can take a picture and surprise a friend. And in this life hack, you will learn how to make a three-dimensional illusion from a simple sheet of paper. Draw 2 figures in the form of displaced semicircles. For convenience, connect the ends of the semicircles with blue and red segments. Cut the figure along the lines. Bend the paper along the multicolored marks. Blue one way, red the other. Open and close the postcard. The paper circles move, creating the illusion of rotation. It looks very unusual. Evil birds are not as evil as one might think at first glance. In fact, they are also fierce. Let's draw funny birds and pigs from the Angry Birds cartoon. Fold a piece of paper in half, then fold one of the halves again. Now you have a paper folding. Draw the silhouette of the bird Rita on the folded sheet with a pencil. Go over the drawing with a black marker. Open the paper folding and continue to create. Connect the drawing with lines and draw fierce fangs to this cute bird. Shade the bird with colored pencils. Bend the sheet and the bird opens its beak. How funny is this bird's anger? Whom does she think she frightens with her fangs? An unusual anti-stress toy will help you relax and calm down. You will make it yourself. You will need a flexible metal wire and multicolored straws for drinks. Wrap a base of cylindrical shape in the wire. Cut the straws into small pieces. Carefully remove the wire spiral. String bright pieces of straw on the wire. Turn the spiral and the multicolored snake joyfully runs down. And if you take a longer piece of wire, the effect of the anti-stress will be even better. Do you dream of becoming the Yo-Yo World Champion? Yes, it's an actual sport! Let's make a toy to improve coordination with our very own coordinated hands. Get 2 plastic bottle caps. Cut out 2 plastic circles, each the size of the cap. Join the caps with a screw. Secure the plastic stops with hot glue. Attach a thread and make a loop to put your finger through. Decorate the sides with a few bright paper circles. Done! Time to impress your friends with some cool yo-yo tricks. Now, let's make a Bilboquet out of some household materials. We are going to need a small plastic cup, a Kinder egg, and a string. Punch a hole in the plastic egg using an awl. Do the same with the cup. Pull the string through the hole and make a knot. Pull the other end of the string through the egg and secure it with a knot too. Our Bilboquet is ready. Can you catch this nimble ball? It's not as easy as it may seem. If you're bored with all your ordinary toys, then make a DIY self-driving car toy. Make some holes in a plastic bottle with an awl. Insert some wooden sticks into the holes. Clip the sticks with some pliers. Cut a cork into discs. These will be the wheels. Hot glue the wheels onto the sticks. Get a straw, some tape, and a balloon. Attach the balloon to the straw. Secure it with tape. Make another opening in the bottle and insert our exhaust mechanism. Inflate the balloon through the straw. Let's drive! Just don't exceed the speed limit. For the next trick, we are going to need a marker, but we're not going to draw on paper. Get a flat white plate and draw a stickman on it. Add some water. The ink peels off the surface. Shake the plate and watch how he starts dancing around. He could use a couple of choreography lessons, but it's still pretty cool. Subscribe to Troom Select, put a like if you liked this video, and don't forget to click on the bell to get notified of our newest videos.